We are the amazing Youth for Habitat, and we restored part of the Chena River bank that was eroding. Erosion happens because of people cutting down the vegetation that keeps the bank stable. Without the plants, the boat wake is one of the many factors that can easily cause erosion. The vegetation creates instant fish habitat by giving small salmon a place to rest, eat, and hide. Our task was to recreate this vegetation area. The first step was to remove all the glass and scrap metal. Then we dug trenches to put coir logs in. A coir log is coconut fibers woven together in a log shape. It is used to stop the waves from hitting the new plants.
From there, we filled the cavities with soil, put dormant willows right behind the coir log, and then transplanted live willow trees behind the dormant willow. The willows were then watered. We also harvested and anchored black spruce trees to place in front of the coir log. This method of riverbank restoration is better than others, mainly because it creates fish habitat. Other methods, like putting rocks on the bank, don't create any fish habitat. This habitat is valuable because it brings salmon back every year and allows little salmon to grow up safely and happily. And remember, Uncle Salmon wants you to help maintain riverbanks.